Hey everybody, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a really nice 1985 Ford Bronco Eddie Bauer. This is a bullnose Bronco. Very clean, just finished restoration on this. It was repainted in the original Eddie Bauer colors. Wheels were refinished. New chrome, new grille, new bezels. When it was painted, the windshield was removed. That's a new windshield as well. The top was also removed. All new seals. It was blocked, primed, and then blocked again before paint and clear coat. And it just came out really nice. I know it's hard to tell on videos, but you can see the metallic. I'm trying to hit it in the sun here. Really nice. The wheels all have been refinished. Brand new tires, new suspension on this as well. Let's see if I can zoom. Yep, there we go. Some Ranchos. Also on this one, all new suspension, all new tie rods, all Moog bushings are new, front and rear stabilizers are new. This one's got a 302 in it. It has been stroked to 327. It's a fresh motor, pretty fresh motor. And it's got headers, exhaust. The AC has been converted over to R134A. All that is up to date, blowing nice cold. All new interior. We'll take a peek inside here in a second. Radius arm bushings are new. We also, the worn hubs, new worn hubs, all new brakes, rotors, drums. Very nice. Got a Rancho steering stabilizer up front as well. Those are 17-inch wheels, by the way. 32-inch tires. Carpet, seats, all redone. Nice dash, door panels, all the panels inside have been redone. It's got a Sniper EFI system on it. MSD digital 6AL CD box ignition, MSD spark, cap, rotor, change the oil, of course. Let's take a look inside here. Got a lot on this one. Power windows and locks, all working. Really clean. The dash is perfect. Nice steering wheel, brand new carpet, mats. All these seats have been redone, new cushions as well. We've refinished the center console. Eddie Bauer right there. It's got a radio, we put in Bluetooth radio. Didn't do a subwoofer in this one, but it's got Infinity Kappa speakers, 4 of them replaced here. Gorgeous headliner. All the gauges are working. The factory tack is not hooked up. It will not work with the EFI. The EFI system does have a tachometer of its own, but you can't run them both at the same time. So, but every other gauge, if you plug the tack in, it works. But you know, again, not with the Sniper. But gas gauge, temp gauge, charge, oil, speedo, everything's working. I'll give it a crank here real quick. No rust. Sounds really good. Lots of good power. No stuttering, nothing like that. Runs and drives like a dream. Nothing wrong with the brakes. Brakes perfectly. Doesn't wobble or shake. Everything's really tight. It's a really nice Bronco. I've looked at the market. I feel like this is probably the nicest 85 on the market. And it's very rare to find an Eddie Bauer. It's 170,000 miles on the chassis. but you know, everything's new. The current odometer reading is 70,000, but it did roll over, so it's a 170 on the chassis. Give us a call, text, email. We're very easy to reach. RogersMotorCars.com. Pricing is on the website. Phone numbers are on the website. We've got pictures of the undercarriage and engine bay on the website. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, we've got a few more of these Broncos and Blazers coming out of the shop that are being redone right now. Find us on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. Thanks for watching.